In this ClientCast review, I'm going to be showing you a method of getting 5 to 10 qualified buyers every single day that all you have to do is email, then wait for a response. When they respond to you, you outsource the service and then you get paid. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out ClientCast, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says how we get 5 to 10 qualified buyers every day using this unique free traffic method. I'm going to show you a never before seen tool that will automatically find local businesses in need of your help. Just email them and wait for their response, get their work outsourced and collect a check. It's so easy that any noob can do it. So this is the method here. You can see they have proof here of making these $500 payments. They've got money here coming in. Here's $14,000 that they collected from this as well. Step 1, you find the businesses that need the service. Just takes 20 or 30 minutes. Step 2, contact them with the done for you email that they give you inside the members area. Step 3, get the work done. They show you where to go. No need to have any special skills. And then you collect your payment. This is something that they are actually doing in their own businesses. They teach the exact process inside of this system. What I'm going to do now is show you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTOs.
What's up, guys? It's Kenny here. And first, on behalf of myself and my business partner, Tim Black, I want to thank you for checking out this offer. I know you guys have a lot of things in your inbox that you get mailed every single day. And for whatever reason, you decided to check this one out, which is awesome. In this video here, I'm just going to tell you what is included and what you guys are going to learn and what this is all about. And if it's something that you want to take part in and something that you like, then that's awesome. And if not, that's fine too. We're still friends. It's all good. So the first thing that I will tell you is that this is an extremely unique offer. If you're somebody who is looking to make 2022 the best year ever, and you want something that is not only unique, but a proven process to build a business, then this is something that you definitely want to look at. So what is ClientCast? ClientCast basically is a process that we use inside of our agencies, both myself and Tim Black as well. We use inside of our agencies to get the best possible qualified prospects into our world so that they're very easy to close, very easy to get results for, and very easy to keep paying us over and over and over again. And we do that by using a number of different things. So the first thing that we do is we create a really, really good offer, an offer that nobody can say no to, all right? And we're gonna teach you how to do that inside of this training program. Now, you've probably heard of an irresistible offer and all that other stuff. Find out what the audience wants and give it to them. It's much, much, much more than that. It's about figuring out what they want. Yeah, that's part of it, but it's also about how do we show them that success is almost guaranteed? How do we show them that the likelihood of success is extremely high? And then how do we show them that the time requirement for them and the effort and energy for them is extremely low? We talk about what's called an offer scale and how to create that, right? That's number one. Number two, we also, these are actually in the reverse order, but whatever. We also talk about what's called zeroing in. People talk about niche selection. Let's go after lawyers. Let's go after doctors. Let's go after dentists. Okay, but really what you need to do is you need to zero in on a specific type of person. Not just a lawyer, not just a doctor, not just a dentist. A specific type of person that you can hone in on so that, number one, you can charge more money, and we'll break down why you can charge more money as you get more zeroed in. But you charge more money, number one, and number two, your life is just so much easier because you're talking to people and you're surrounding yourself with people that you actually want to be around. And I go through a whole entire example inside of ClientCast on how to do this. So I'll just give you a very quick example here, right? If you have a sales book, let's just say, and this is just a complete off the top of my head example. If you have a sales book, okay, you can maybe charge $20 for that book. But if you have a book on sales for people who sell solar panels over the phone and then go to appointments and close the deal at the door, that book is going to be worth so much more because you're zeroing in on one specific type of person. So the book on sales can be sold for 20 bucks, but the book on sales for people who sell solar panels for people's houses, that can be sold for maybe $100, right? So the more you zero in, the more you can charge, and the more likely it is the person is actually going to get the desired result that you want, which leads to more referrals, more people paying you over and over and over again, a monthly fee, whatever. So we have zeroed in and we have an offer. Now, how do we get traffic to that offer? What do? What we do is we use other people's audiences. These people have already built trust with this audience. We use other people's audiences to fill up our calendar. And here's the craziest thing about it. The way that we do it, those people will fill up our calendar completely for free. And I don't even mean by an affiliate partnership. I don't even mean like a JV relationship. I mean, they'll fill it up completely for free and not ask us for anything in return. It's the wildest thing in the world. And what's cool about it is that these people are the best qualified prospects you're ever gonna get in your life. Besides a book, and again, I'm just here to be honest with you, tell you what it's all about. A book is the best qualified lead you'll ever get. If you sell a book and someone reads that whole book, it's the best qualified lead ever. But the problem is that most people don't even open a book. Forget about reading the whole thing. Most people don't even open it. Then you got to write the book. You got to sell the book. You got to make sure that they read. It's a nightmare. This way here, you're having people that are super qualified, that are trusted by the person who's sending them to you, and they're simply the best leads that you can ever get because they're trusted by the person who's sending them to you. They know all about you. We'll go into that in the training, but they know all about you already. They want, need, and desire what you have. They can afford what you have, and they're ready to make a decision right now. They get on your calendar, and all you have to do is ask them a couple questions, take the money from them, and provide the service. That's it, okay? Then we go into what's called the delivering the results. So once you get them on your calendar and you close that deal, which we teach you all this stuff, how to do the sales call, whether it's through Zoom, whether it's on the phone, whatever, how to get them on the calendar. We go through all that stuff. We show you the websites that we use, everything else. After you get all that done, you take the money from them, then you have to actually provide them with the result. Because if all you do is take money from them and then not actually get them the result, well, then you're just stealing from them, and that's dumb. You don't want to do that, right? You want to actually get them the result you promised. So we go through how to get the result, and then we go through how to ask for referrals, or actually, it's not even asking, you're kind of demanding referrals from them, but whatever. We teach you how to get through the referral process so that you're getting 3 to 5 referrals on every single person you talk to, whether you close them or not. So to wrap it up one more time, we start with zeroing in and niche selection, who the specific type of person is. Then we talk about how to create an offer that those people cannot say no to, based on pain, based on desire, based on need, all that kind of stuff. We work the scale, okay? We go through the whole entire thing. Then we use other people's audiences, based on the audience that you chose. We use other people's audiences to fill up a calendar for you so that you're set up back to back to back to back to back every single day with Zoom calls, messages, phone calls, however you want to do it. And then we teach you how to close those deals and fulfill them so that those people give you referrals back over and over and over again. It's a solid business plan that's been working for decades. And if it's something that you're serious about, it's something that you really should look at. So if you're someone who really wants to change the way you do business, really wants to make the income that you deserve to make in 2022 and make 2022 the best year of your life, for like $17, you could start with this process right now by clicking the button on the side of the screen, and you'll be in. You'll get everything I just talked about and more, because we have bonuses in that I haven't even mentioned. You're gonna get all that stuff for $17, and you'll be able to be on your way. And I'm telling you right now, if you actually do what we teach you to do, look, if you're not gonna do anything, don't do this, because you're just wasting your time, wasting my time, wasting Tim's time, wasting everybody's time. It's stupid. If you're actually serious about being an entrepreneur, you're done with the whole, magic software, click here 3 times and you make millions. You're done with all that crap, and you really want to build a business by servicing other people, getting them results, creating happy customers, living up to your promises, doing it the right way. If that's something that you really want to do in 2022, this is the best opportunity that's ever going to come your way. For the price point that we have, we're giving away pretty much everything, and it's going to blow you away when you get inside. So click the button on the side of the screen. It's $17. Get involved now, and we'll see you in the members area. Take care.
So this is the backend area that you're going to have access to after you purchase. It has all the different training in here, from niche selection to offer creation, getting your first client, the appointment, growing through podcasts, closing on the appointment, the webinar partnership, wrapping it up, referrals, daily action guide, all these different things included inside the members area. Now they have multiple OTOs here. The first one here, it's going to be really inexpensive. You can get this one here. This one is having to do work hold you back. This is a done for you email swipe packages here for this so that they can actually help you to move forward with this. You can actually, if you click that no thanks button, you can get it even cheaper here. So just make sure you click that no thanks button. I make less as an affiliate by showing it to you, but I always want to make sure that you get the lowest price. Give me a like if you like the fact that I do that. Also, I almost forgot this. On the sales page, what you're going to want to do as well is when you come to it, you're going to want to move your mouse away here, and a discount should come on this one as well. If you're moving your mouse away and you spend enough time on this page, a discount code should pop up there as well. Again, give me that like there for showing you that. Next one here, number 2, is they've got another OTO here, looking for a few good people for success stories. So they've got a coaching program here as well. You might see some extra OTOs here. These are the ones that I was shown, but as always, all these upgrades are optional. Pick and choose the ones you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about ClientCast and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, you're going to take time to get these clients coming in. Like, you're going to need to email multiple people about this before you get those clients coming in. Don't think it's like some magic push button system. You know that doesn't exist. But just be aware of that. Just because they had quick results with it doesn't mean you're going to. What do I like about this? I love the fact that this is something that they are actually doing in their businesses. This is a real business model. This isn't some scammy push button system. If you're looking for a real way of making money online, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at ClientCast, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.